So today, now in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple automatic doodler. So come on, let's start. So for that, first we'll create our own block by clicking that option. And here you can see a image saying pen draw with your sprites. Click that. And here you will get more blocks like this. And now let's start our coding by selecting a sprite. So here I go with the pencil. Yeah. And we'll also reduce the size of a pencil to 50. And let's start our coding with one flagglet. And go to pen. And take erase all. And also take pen down and put on that, and go to control and put repeat 72. Yeah, and also again put that option repeat, and 10 will change to 8. Yeah, and go to motions again and take move 10 steps. Move 10 steps again, we can change to 50 steps, and turn 15 degrees. 15 degrees also will change to 45 degrees. Yeah. And again go to pen, and then change pen color by 10, and go to motions again. Turn 15 degrees and put here, not after that, and change 15 to 5 degrees. Yeah. Now let's see how it draws. It's really very speed. Yeah. Now we'll get a pattern. Almost our pattern is over. Now you can see that we got a very nice pattern here, which is very speedily done. And that's all for today, guys. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Until then, this is me here from Crafts and Coding. Thank you for watching.